Learners access the training through the branded learning portal, Oracle UPK Professionals Knowledge Centre. The content is divided into modules and assigned by job role. For example, there were 6 different roles within Phase 2 of the training, including the new spotter role. E-learning was initially created to meet the training requirements for the Kent marshalling area. The KMA is where haulage vehicles arrive when they come to the Dartford crossing. The Highways Agency traffic officers were responsible for the KMA, and this was handed over to Connect Plus at the beginning of the Dart Charge project. It was therefore important that operatives understood the regulations and how to handle the various potential scenarios they could encounter with haulage vehicles. Learning content was developed around the ADR dangerous goods regulations. All hauliers and tunnel operators adhere to these regulations, which document how over-height, over-wide and dangerous goods vehicles must travel through a tunnel. This is an example of an orange plate used to identify vehicles containing dangerous goods. The learning content here explains what each section of the plate means. Larmer Brown utilised existing maps of the different phases of road layout, which were adjusted and simplified to animate how vehicles would move through the crossing and be dealt with by each role. This map was used in Phase 1 of the training. At this point, the construction had not started, so the maps enabled learners to visualise the new road layout and the procedures for handling different types of vehicle approaching the tunnel. Larmer Brown created icon sets to simplify processes and help learners identify their own roles within those processes. This provided a strong visual representation on screen, making the content more user-friendly and less text-heavy. In Phase 2, learners were introduced to a new user interface, and the different features were explained. Larmer Brown incorporated drag-and-drop exercises into the content so that learners could complete activities as part of their learning. This encouraged learners to assess their knowledge of the completed module and helped to increase retention. As the project moved into end state, the road layout maps were enhanced. The learner can select any of the boxes to see the relevant route procedure displayed on the map. They can also click on a section of the map to enlarge that particular area. In order to show learners the new road layout early in the construction process, virtual reality simulations were commissioned by the Highways Agency. Larmer Brown utilised these videos within the e-learning content to make the new road layout as real as possible to the learners. In this video showing control room operatives how to release a dangerous goods vehicle into the West Tunnel, the simulation includes a graphical user interface at the top right, displaying what a controller would see on their screen in the control room. At the end of the course, the learner takes an assessment to consolidate their learning. A pass rate has been set that the learner needs to reach in order to continue with further learning modules. Learners' progress through all of the training content within the portal is tracked. A selection of the reports provide a snapshot of courses taken and the results achieved.